What a crazy narrative switch. Completely bearish to looks like we might get a bullish Friday back to screw you, we're bearish. That's insane. And we left equal highs on the 15-minute. That's nuts. Ah, my indicators. May there be light. What's up, Hattie? Did you trade London? Did you trade London, boy? How many people you think these two candles trapped? Whoever longed right before market open, oh my god, we're gonna go rip towards those equal highs. Yeah, you don't trade Fridays? Yeah, I try to. I avoid Friday afternoons most of the time. Market open, rip down so strong too. This for sure trapped people to go long as well. We do have equal highs on the well, on any time frame right here. Very clean. I think Friday could have the strength to come back up and take these. Leaving equal highs is nuts. We got a late birdie. Yeah, this week was boring. Even last week was boring too, man. I don't have much fun last week either. August has been a bit shitty. Been a bit slow. Wow, what a huge SMT we have now. And Q just took out all of London. Oh, that's a huge hourly candle. And the previous day high has relatively equal highs as well. It's pretty steep though to be manipulation. I mean, we do have a crazy bullish SMT with the lows from London, and Q took out all of London lows. Why did I stutter there? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Crazy little drop, huh? Everybody was so bearish until 925, and then you get the 926, 927, and 928 candle. You're like, wow, it's probably gonna rip on open. 930 opens and just flushes.
We have equal highs up there.
Yeah, we do. Huge SMT with London lows.
But again, hourly is bearish, so I'm still bearish for the day. It's literally all you have to do. Look at the hourly. If the hourly's going down, your bias is bearish. Yeah, you going to a restaurant with Megan?
Yeah, I told her I'll go.
At what time?
I'm gonna leave here around 12, 12:05.
Oh, how I just said that. Like 5.
No, so I'm gonna leave here at 12, 12:05. We have to be there for around 1.
Okay.
Are you coming?
No,
Why don't you wanna come?
I don't know.
In the mood.
I don't know what you asked me. I was like, oh, I'll probably end up going out on Thursday, get home late, and we're already going out Friday night.
Yeah, you could come for the drive. It's free lunch. Stream overnight didn't work. It was like weird audio. You heard me?
Yeah.
Didn't work, and I didn't know how to. I didn't want to wait super long to fix it. It was like crackling.
All right, we got Asia below.
Wow, and a closure below. That's funny. Yeah, we do got Asia. Interesting candle. Another resweep. Still got a bullish SMT at the lows. Fast inverse.
It's a bullish S&T since it's at the lows.
Yeah, sorry, bullish SMT. That's what I meant. I said bearish?
Yeah.
Bullish, bullish. How many people are taking this long? Sweep, a second sweep, a third sweep. Super fast inverse. Think it's gonna work?
I don't know. We'll see. I think a lot of people will probably try it
Yeah, they're
because
gonna
of
wait.
the SMT.
Didn't even. Oh, it closed. Yeah, people are gonna try it.
I wouldn't take this. First SMT inversion, yeah, let's just pull it. That ain't too smart.
Sometimes that's all you need.
Yeah, we did tap into the new day opening gap.
Yeah, it's not a horrible spot. Took out lows on the 15-minute as well, and bullish SMT with London. Not too shabby. Doji posted something funny. There was a video of Blake showing how he got a break even after waiting for so long. And Doji goes, bro, what the fuck is this guy? What a fucking dumbass having his stop there.
It's
Uh,
crazy.
he's hunting, he's fishing. I know people got burned like hell on this for what you get. Who wants it? Well, and Kiwi swept on him, and Kiwi did not. The lows on him in Q. Yeah, I look so homeless. So I tried doing my own beard today a little bit, and I tried just cutting a little bit of hair, a little bit over my ear, or like right there above, and I fucked it up. Looks like shit. It's like not horrible, but it looks like I got a haircut from a barber of like week one. Crazy conversation I have with David. It's insane.
Oh, did you hear the Lindsay Clancy thing?
Bro, I was talking to you, bro.
Yeah, what's up?
I was telling you I tried to do my own beard and like a tiny little, not a fade, but like just to like fade it in a tiny bit. And
That's a horrible idea.
and by mistake I just kept going higher and higher on the side of my head, and I tried to give myself my own haircut. Now it looks like death, but it's not horrible. That's why I was gonna tell you, FaceTime me, take a look if you want. Look what I did. It's not like horrible, but it's fucking weird on one of my sides because I can't see.
Yeah.
He's moaning again.
Did you hear about the Lindsay Clancy trial?
No.
Don't know if you. I just want to get an update on it. Apparently, it's some lady who killed her children, and I don't know where exactly. Husband was home, but then they found like drugs in her system, like a sedative. So maybe the husband did it and just said that she did it because he drugged her. I don't know. 3 children, bro. 5, 3, and 8 months. Well,
Who do you think did it, the husband or her?
I don't know. I just heard about the case. I'm looking at it now.
You said there was drugs in whose system? In her system?
Yeah, there was drugs in her system. Apparently, I don't know. That's what I heard. Apparently, it's a case of postpartum depression. She had her third kid, full depression, mental health issues, suffering for a long time from these mental health issues. Even submitted herself to a psychiatric ward. I don't know. Who knows? Maybe it was all an act and she's just crazy and wanted to kill her children, or maybe it's real. I don't know.
We took out Asia.
Yeah, so.
What'd the husband say? Did you hear anything about what the husband had to say?
No, but the brothers all it's a very weird case because um a lot of people say that the husband did it and framed her because like 6 months later after his 3 children were stabbed to death apparently or killed, he's like posting on social media like he's on vacation with a new girlfriend. which is what the hell? Who has a new girlfriend and posting pictures 7 or 8 months after your 3 children just died? But I don't know. It's weird because there's like so many people like just defending her. So I don't know.
Yo, what is this candle?
Even if she went into like psychosis, bro, she has to be in a mental institution or go to jail if she did it. Oh my God, no, she strangled them to death apparently.
Yeah, and then they found her next to them. I was reading it too. Yo, Tyler's been on a ripping loser.
Oh my God, she slit her wrists, her throat, and jumped off the second-story window. She survived and crushed pills and took them. She survived and now is paralyzed below the waist.
That's insane, man.
Oh, okay, no, no, she did it. She said she did it. So the attack, like the attacking side in court is saying that she did it. It was premeditated. Should spend the rest of her life in jail. And the defense is saying because of postpartum psychosis, she's not responsible.
That's how you know she's guilty. Any mother would say, bro, if I was able to do that to my kids, just shoot me in the head now. Throw me away. Lock me up, shoot me, kill me.
Yeah, I don't know.
Like, that's insane.
Apparently, she was like on 13 different medications.
Crazy the stories you'll hear. To me now and now. It's a very interesting candle. 10 a.m. candle. To what do we owe the pleasure?
Yeah, people are sick. They're saying, "Oh, this poor lady was very sick. She needed psychiatric care. Poor lady, bro." And then they turn around and say, "Bro, it's the father's fault." Yeah, the man who walked into a house full of blood and dead children, bro.
That's crazy. Good morning, Kathleen. That's insane. How was your night? You had fun?
Yeah, it was chill.
Completely forgot you went. Ah, did you see what I sent you about pickleball? The orange balls that they gave me with all the holes or whatever is the ones that you're supposed to play with for outside. Because they
You mean the
bounce
yellow one you
better.
have?
No, I have yellow and orange.
I don't know. But are they the same, the yellow and the orange?
No, they look a bit different. I think the size of the holes and stuff like that are different. I think the orange one is what you're supposed to
The
play
ball we
with
played with
outside.
last time was good.
Last time when it rained.
Yeah, that ball was good. The yellow one you have is garbage for outdoors.
Well, I also have an orange. They're all different.
Yeah, I never seen the orange, but the yellow one, bro, horrendous.
We should try one time the orange ball, see if it actually makes a difference. I hate having a bias. I really do. Like I would expect Friday to finish in the range of the days of the week, not continue lower. We did tap into the last Friday gap of the entire 15-minute leg again. Could be as strong of a point of rejection. And we're forming little SMTs every single 5 minutes. I
I don't know about longs here.
mean, neither. I don't have anything to send me long either way. But it makes more
I'm not.
sense because the 954 swing low took out liquidity, so it's supposed to be a protected swing low inside of that huge, the first
I'd
fair
be even
value
more
gap on the
longs if
leg
we
as
get
well.
above this mini little consolidation here around 944. That whole little 15-minute consolidation there.
Hmm.
I think if we get above that and use it as support, I think we could continue up. If we stay below that, I still think we're bearish. I wouldn't take any longs.
I don't know, with the logic like this, it's super clean. We took out Asia, we tapped into the last 15 minute for bullish fair value gap of the leg. We had one more an internal sweep and we left that external low intact and we pushed off strong again out of that 15-minute bullish for value gap. Don't know if you see my stream. For me, longs made a lot of sense once we bounced that again.
Yeah, but the hourly is so bearish. There are times in price where like every day you just keep going down.
Yeah, but the market itself is not doing poorly.
What does that matter for me?
Well, if the companies in the Nasdaq are doing good today and they're not doing bad, why would the Nasdaq continue to drop? It's like when Bitcoin goes up, the stocks related to Bitcoin mining go up too. They don't go down.
We're barely under midnight.
Wow, Bitcoin is still ripping.
Yes, it's showing strength.
Reacher's ass. Started it yesterday. But the actors are garbage. The fight scenes are garbage. Fake fighting and weird actors.
I'm on episode 4. It's not bad.
I don't know, I watched the first 2 episodes.
I told you every season's the same.
No, but the fight scenes look like shit. They're not even hitting each other. They're like, it's like they did weird acting. I
Yeah, the fight scenes are not as good as the other seasons.
found it so weird. And even the actors
What
they
was
got,
last
like
season?
some of them
Last
are
season
so
was
weird.
season 3, was when they were like
The big
killing
mansion with the
off
big
his
guy.
team members or something. Season 2 was the one with the kid, the rich guy, and the big bodyguard, I think. What was season 1?
It's the opposite. I think season 2 is killing his team. Season 3 was the rich kid, and season 1 was something with the army and the drug busts and stuff like that.
Yeah, that sounds familiar. Yeah, New York AMs and PMs have been horrific. All the price action's been in Asia and London.
Yeah,
Follow through
that's what Blake
movement.
said.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Blake said he trades Asia now.
So all this hype around crypto now is because Trump said, I want to get the Clarity Act solidified.
Very good question. I don't know, but it's probably just manipulation. One more time to the upside, let him make a little bit more money, and then he's gonna call it a night.
Yeah, literally. Putting some extra millions of dollars in his kids' pockets. In Barron's pocket.
It's weird though, because our technically bull run never really happened much.
Yeah,
We
we
didn't
never
really
got
get
one
anything.
for the first time, man.
Yeah, we didn't get anything like where everything is crazy high and everything just keeps ripping and everyone's like, bro, where are we going? This is insane. We didn't get that yet.
Yeah, there's no alt season. A couple alts had a bit of a move, but there's no alt season at all.
Oh non, Tyler a goûté encore. Bon, ça c'est comme 8 de suite. Doesn't make sense for us to re-come back down.
For bearish, it makes a lot of sense. Still have daily low, a daily low below. For bearish, will still come down.
Don't believe me, just watch. Come on.
Told you, as long as you're under that little consolidation, we're still heading lower. And this looks fucking bearish. Really bearish. Yeah, we're heading lower.
Baby, lock them doors and turn the lights down low. Another SMT. I wonder if we're gonna inverse that fair value gap. I marked it out. 10 seconds left. Looks like we're gonna close below. Indeed we did. I wonder how it affects them on stream when they're streaming and they take like 8 losers in a row, like 4 days in a row. August has been pretty shitty. This is crazy. Every time we sweep, that first survival gap for continuation is a great area. It's like ES doesn't want to come down. Oh, I wonder where my brother is. Spends his time on mute. Doesn't say a word. We got equal bodies on the 1 hour a little bit below as well. Like right under. And we're down, tapping down into that hourly wick from the 2 o'clock candle. Got the previous day low below us as well. Did you see what they did with Top Step? Dave, did you see what they did with Top Step?
No, what they do?
Apparently they're putting a $49 account, and it's not like 2000 trailing. It's sorry, not end of day. It's 1000 end of day, and you have to make 3K. But then when you get moved, not moved, but when you pass it, like the funded stage is as soon as you make 3K, they pay you all the 3K, and then it just closes.
Yeah, so you have to make 6K without losing two. That's horrible.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying, like, if you bought like 5 accounts
Statistically,
or six
nah,
accounts,
bro. Statistically speaking, you're that's horrendous.
you
You have to
gotta
make
just
3 times what you can lose.
yeah, but it's 3K. They cost $50. You don't think out of 20 you can make one go to 6K?
Is it trailing drawdown?
Even that, yeah, it is. No, not trailing. End of day. My apologies.
I don't know. You'd have to risk 1,005 on a trade. Hope it doesn't hit your 1,000 and go for a 2 hour trade. And you got to do it
Hmm.
again. Is there an activation fee?
No,
Yeah, you'd have to risk 1,005 and go for a 2 hour trade.
all right, well, we're slowly going down to previous day low.
Oh, there's probably a consistency rule too, no?
No idea. That I don't know. The rest I know
That
that I
will
don't know.
screw you even more.
Oh, you can only the size. You can only trade one mini.
One mini?
Yeah,
Aye, aye.
yeah, you can only do one mini.
Yeah, they set it up so like 99% of people will make that.
Bro, one mini, it's retarded. The fuck you gonna do with one mini? Bro, with one mini you need 100 points for it to be 50 points is 200 times 10, 100 is 2,000. You need 100 points to make $2,000 on one mini. That's insane.
Yeah.
One mini. Wow, yeah, still failed to take out the low from 9:30 to 10 o'clock. Opened up at 10, had no wick. We just came to give it a wick. It swept the low and then closed above pretty strong. This could be a good area to go up. Yummy coffee. Guess price action, eh? Hey. No, my Sheila. I didn't know it was one mini though. That's a bit stupid. The one mini is garbage.
That's what I think about this trade. Swept, we re-swept. CISD, to for value gap, pushed away.
Let me know. Are you in or out?
I'm not in. I'm not very confident here,
I
unfortunately.
don't know how you weren't.
I don't have a good dealing range to work with, and overall, you're still looking bearish. And ES, there's no movement.
We don't see the same thing, master.
Yeah, I'd like to see us push up more before I take any longs. We do have some nice LRLR to go grab, though.
Yeah, we do. Indeed, we do.
Okay, SMT with ES right now.
Another internal SMT. Pushed off the 50% of the range. Oh,
Yeah, I
I
feel like this would
wonder.
be much nicer if we get two green candles here. Potentially go to clean up that internal, all those internal highs. If we're bullish, of course. I'm cold. Let me put on my robe.
Shimmy, 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 shimmy. So weird. Get it? Yes, no, yes, took out that internal low again. Right, I told you when ES is having hard times and Q starts to push up, and then when ES starts to rip and Q suddenly goes back in hiding. Big burr, big burr. This is bullshit. This is some schoolyard bullshit. I'm gonna go get Kleenex fast, fast. My nose is all stuffy. It's like I have allergies. Alright, what do we got? 30-minute cycle SMT at the low. Alright, well, we got this bullish order block into a bullish for value gap. My finger's becoming itchy for a trade. Oh, now Tyler's in a short.
Shorts are not bad. We're still going bearish.
Bro, he better hit it. It'd be 0 for 3 just today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and this week every time I join it was loser, then loser, then loser, then loser, then loser, then loser. He took only break evens and losers. It's been a rough week, rough 2 weeks for a lot of people. Bro, is this a joke? If can you make some conversation with me, bro? You're like a dead fish. Comes out, gets an air bubble at the tip of the water, and then goes back down to sleep.
Yeah, I'm on very little sleep. I'm tired. I have a headache too. It's okay, you got this, bro. You got this.
Yeah, it's just fucking boring. I'm talking, making comments, making regards, and there's no one talking back. I told you, you're like a wall. Fight alone. What's up, TA? Anybody else find the New York AM completely boring? Not much activity whatsoever. The short at 9 was good. There's no way. Oh wait, at 9 or 9:30? Yeah, at 9, yeah, there's a potential short here in this BPR. I thought you were gonna say 9:30. I was like, bro, how did you even guess that? We had two huge green consecutive candles and then just a complete rip down lower on open. You tell him, Hattie. I lost him. You can play 9, but not 9:30. Yeah, me too. I mean, I can play 9 and I still can't play 9:30.
I've never seen like 7 days of straight chop. 9:30. After 9:30. I don't understand. It's the worst price action I've seen. Every 9:30 set, every night, every AM has just been chop. Like what the hell? Pick a direction already.
So rough being patient for this long. You're like, you get such in the mood to take a trade. Just pull the trigger. What does ICT say when you're completely bored and you know where the market is going? Just get in for one micro. Just one micro and just tag along.
You get a feel for the market, yeah.
Get
And
a
he says he
feel
doesn't
for
have to
the
take a get a
market.
feel for the market. Not because he's bored. Like, what is this?
I don't know, but poor Tyler. That stings. That's GG for him. Rip again, I'd lose it. Ben is playing with fire now. He moved it a little bit higher. How do I do that? I'm gonna open my PC on Monday and I'm gonna be crying. I'll have no more PC for Monday AM. My personal computer will become a personal caca. Hello?
Hello.
Welcome. What do you mean you're
Well,
done?
yeah, Omni's had to go.
Welcome, welcome. Come join the party.
Yeah. Let me blast out the,
I'm watching streamers getting murdered.
oh yeah.
Right, well, I used to watch that guy Tyler. I think this week he's on a like 7-8 losing streak.
Wow.
Even Benjamin, I've been seeing loser, 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 like break even, a little bit of a loser, loser again. Everyone's ripping losers.
Yeah, because price action's horrendous.
Everyone's getting murdered.
It's actually horrible.
Did you hear the good news? Martin passed his account in the mentorship group.
Oh yeah, cool.
Mm. He said, let me read it to you.
Howdy, I don't know. I don't know the Renegon too much right now. I just saw them defeat Jirai. That's it.
So his success with the PM trade, 22 trading days, 18 winners, 4 losers.
No way.
Thanks, Mike, for putting up this group, for helping me out, and for teaching me this group is about being disciplined. The funded PA is because of you. I told him, no, it's because of you. You were disciplined. You put in the effort and the work.
You tell him.
No, it's true.
I know. I agree.
I
I
was
don't
doing the
disagree.
same thing.
I don't disagree.
And I made mistakes. He didn't. He stuck with it. He stuck with the plan. That's what you get. Plus, he researched the trade, so he had confidence in it. Not bad, though. See, 22 days, 18 winners.
Not bad.
One trade a day.
That's very nice.
One trade a day. That's all
Very
he
good.
took.
Very good.
Because there was someone who was talking about one and done.
Yeah, me.
You know,
Sarcasm. Hmm.
sarcasm.
It's been a boring morning. How was your morning, you?
Short and sweet.
Oh yeah, you got the sweet.
I got the sweet. I was good. I was disciplined today. My
We
wife
we
read
we
me the
got the
riot.
long and sour.
My wife read me the riot act last night.
The what?
The riot act.
Fuck
Get your
is
shit
that?
together. The riot act. When someone, someone not gives you shit, but a strong pep talk. Get your shit together.
Mm.
You know how to do better. Do better. Enough experimenting and playing and seeing how fast and how hard I can push it, and just trade comme il faut, and that's it. It's like Martin said, you trade 1, 2, 3 accounts, you make $200, $300, $400 in each account, you're golden. I think that's enough for me trying to push it and see how far I can push it. Let's just get to the golden stage for a while, and then if I want, I can put a few accounts aside and see about pushing it again. But right now, it's time to just get serious and make the slow
I
and
hate
steady
hearing this
money.
every week. It's actually crazy.
Quiet. We do it until we succeed. Doesn't matter if it's crazy. What's crazy is giving up.
No, what's crazy is doing the same thing again and again and again and again and expecting a different outcome. That's
For me,
actually the
it's not
definition
the
of
same
insanity.
thing. No, it's not the same thing. I'm pushing it. I'm learning. You know what? I remember I was trying to make. It started at 30, then it went to 50 to 100, then it went from 50 to 150. Now I'm pretty comfortable making $500, which means $300 is almost a no-brainer for me. So it is helping. It's helping a lot. Look, it's the only way I know how to learn is by experimenting, fine-tuning the lot size for what chart that I'm trading. So I disagree with you.
Well, good, you're allowed to.
Yes, I could learn on market replay maybe, but I don't trust the market replay data. That's the problem. Are we going to break above this? Holy shit, did you see how weak NQ was compared to ES
Mm-hmm.
at the start? Whew. Relatively speaking.
Bum bum beatum bum ba-dum.
Right now, also, if you're just comparing the low of the overnight session, we've moved back into the overnight session on ES, and Q is so far away from it. But yet, the shorts aren't really performing as good as the longs are. That's the funny thing on the scalps. Enough about me. What's been happening in the ICT world? Someone was asking me if I trade ICT. I sent him here. I forgot who it was. I said,
Absolutely
here's
nothing going on. Absolutely nothing. He made a nice call yesterday to ICT.
What's the current read? Obviously, you have a huge SMT.
We got
With
SMTs above and below.
mm,
Price action here's ass.
Did you hear that?
Did I hear what?
Order filled?
No?
Okay, perfect.
People always scare me when they say that.
And no, I hear somebody's. I think it's David's that I hear. I'm not sure. I know there's one that I hear and it's pretty loud.
I know
It's
mine is
definitely on
on.
me. Mine's not even on. I've never even heard my order fills.
Okay, next time I hear it, I'll ask whose it was. And
Bum bum be-dum bum ba-dum.
My PC's connected to my headset, and my headset's not even in this room, so
Liar!
and,
Liar!
and I never even hear the sound when it comes from my computer. Like I don't even know if I have it on. I've never heard my computer go order filled. Only Alex and you.
yeah, I
Yep,
think it's
mine I hear a
Alex.
lot. It scares me entering a trade. And even when I put it to break even, it scares the shit out of me too.
You didn't bring anybody into the stream today? Who was that guy that was here yesterday? The guy from like near Dubai? The guy from Pakistan or
Hadi the
whatever?
baddie.
Hattie. Yeah, what's his name again? What's his alias on YouTube?
Your thoughts.
Oh, that's your thoughts?
What's his street name? Your thoughts.
You remember he was a shit disturber in the beginning, no?
Hadi the baddie. Yeah, he was.
A little bit. Yeah, there's a few shit disturbers that end up sticking around also, yeah, on my channel.
Hadi, you shit disturber.
Oh, he's there now. I'm not on your channel. I'm not looking. Let me open it up. Maybe I should have waited. No, but he was a little bit of a shit disturber. He knows your thoughts. Hey, TA, Darth Bane. Nice to see you guys. 177. What? How did I load your channel? There's only one like. Come on, guys. Really? Serious?
Wow, Mike's insulting. Crazy, he's putting me down.
Is it really hard to click the like button?
Putting me down.
Give some likes there, guys. Tell YouTube we like this channel.
It's crazy. The likes really do make a difference, though, huh?
I have no
From what
idea.
I heard, likes is very important. It's more important than
Yeah,
anything else. From
I
what
have
I've
no
heard, I'm
idea.
not sure though.
I forgot if I asked you. You know, Bullinox has a whole bunch of new accounts, eh? Now, no activation, straight to funded.
Yeah, but it's too bad you can't just put one code. You have to put 8 different codes.
Yeah, I know they're so stupid with that. They got to fix that. So you just use 1 and 2 and let people know DNA, DNA1, DNA2. So you just put 89% off DNA and no activation, 45% off DNA1. Problem is, most people don't catch that.
Yeah, no.
The DNA1, the DNA2 thing. It goes over people's heads. Looks like we want to push here. Going up to the pivot on ES and trying to break through and get above the previous day's low on NQ.
Hey, a little burp came out. What did I do?
Your thoughts. What are your thoughts?
Oh, heh.
David, what are you doing for lunch? You taking me for lunch?
I don't know, a bit of a stomach ache.
You still owe me a pizza.
I do.
Yeah, I will never forget.
Oh no, he's going in aggressive, Tyler.
Je me souviens. Who's
He
Tyler?
wants to make it back. Guy named Tyler trades. Look like 3 losers in a row. He wants to make it back.
He's on YouTube?
Yeah, I like him. He's a good guy.
Well, he's going short again.
He went long.
Short is not really looking good right here. Although we could see a bounce. I can see
He
why
went
he would
long,
do
and
it.
we have a huge bear. Well, another bearish SMT between cycles. I know he hasn't been getting much luck.
364.
I mean, we got another retap into the BPR. We had 2 black candles. The candle swept the internal low, and then we had 2 nice bullish green candles. Just we had at the same time an SM bearish SMT between the 30-minute cycles. But he has wants to push, so it looks cleaner. We'll see. Some days price action just hurts. Pinches you and pinches you and pinches you. Bum bum be dum bum ba dum. I don't know. We're making a lot of higher lows, so makes sense we continue up.
Yeah, ES is pushing above the pivot point, but again, NQ is a little bit weaker, and we do have the previous. I think that's the previous. No, that's the previous day's close, not the previous day's low. I'm sorry, I misspoke. Dave, tell me if the printer's running.
Yeah, it's working right now.
Okay, perfect.
It's printing. It's printing.
What's the weather like on the other side of the house where you are?
What?
Sparky with you?
No, he keeps trying. I push him out.
Yeah, I hear your door does a little creak. I always think that's Sparky going in.
Yeah, it is.
He's a good boy. It's funny that he goes in there though, because you don't have the cookies anymore.
Yeah, he's been a lot more like aggressive in here too.
Yeah,
He
you don't
comes
let him
up
on.
and like no, he jumps up all the time and tries to like and he's like hitting stuff down and stuff.
Yeah, no. He jumps up. You got to throw him down aggressively right away. He's got to learn. You can't give him an opportunity to stay up there. It's like no, right away, instant.
He
Don't wait
steps
to.
on the keyboards.
Yeah. I bought a keyboard cover just because of that.
He
But
almost knocked down my water cup.
yeah, that's another problem. No. Up on the desk, like even before he's got his four paws, you got to be throwing him down, and he'll stop after a couple of times you do that. He'll see that it doesn't work. But if you give him some exploratory time, he'll keep trying. He'll try to figure out what I need to do to stay up longer. Coming up against VWAP. I know you guys don't look at it, but I'm just saying.
Just saying, boy. Bum bum be dum bum ba dum.
Boom out, boom two, boom out. Okay.
That looks so clean, man.
I don't
Sometimes
know
I
what you're.
see things that look a bit clean, and unfortunately, I can never pull the trigger on it.
Mm,
It ain't my setup.
yeah, I just scalped the long right there.
Wow, Tyler's
Didn't
really
want to.
going for it. That's insane.
Why? What do you mean? He's hitting hard. He's hitting
Yeah, he
trading
took
large
four
size.
losers in a row, so he's down 1.4, and now he's going for a bigger size. He took 14, and he's going for to make back his money
Minis, micros.
in micros. He's up 600 right now. The greed is kicking in.
Terrible.
I never see him do that though. It's rare.
Wow, it's amazing how you can see the size. I got a large screen. Where are you Where do you have screen space that you have somebody else's stream up?
No, I look occasionally. I switch over my ES when it's not doing anything.
Yeah.
It's where I look at people. I don't
But
watch
heck yeah,
people to watch people. I just like tune in for a second, take a peek.
I'm at high resolution here, and monitor is like 2 inches. I can barely see what he's up, and I'm full screen. 997. He just hit 1,000. Oh, he trades multiple accounts. One,
Yeah, yeah.
two, three, four, five, six. Do we know what those accounts are?
They're all funded.
With firm? Do you know what he uses?
No.
He looks like Michael J. Fox a little bit.
Michael J. Fox?
Yeah.
Isn't he black?
No, Michael J. Fox from
Who's the black guy, J. Fox?
Fox. Yeah, I think I know what you're talking about. There's a Fox guy that's a
The guy who...
comedian. Jamie Fox.
Jamie Fox.
Yeah.
Jamie Fox is a comedian? Actor and comedian. That's why he's so funny. I was wondering why
Huh.
that guy's so funny. He's a comedian too. Okay, what a boring day, man. I didn't do shit.
Mm. Is he straight ICT concepts, or has he made a few trades his own? Taking the ideas and
I don't know what he trades. IVGs, order blocks.
printer working again, Dave?
It's like ICT stuff.
Yes, sir. Your printer's working.
Good job.
The stuff of
Ouch.
ICT.
Oh no! Get in. Hey guys.
That's funny. Crypto is cool because every few years you lose all your money and every shred of your sanity, and then one day you make it all back and then some. But not your sanity part. You're fucked up for life.
Mm. I'm curious to use the NinjaTrader prop. I think NinjaTrader prop is only the features of the prop platform is only available on the web, just like Top Step X and stuff.
Yeah, I don't even know what Ninja
You have to
Trader
go to the
prop is.
web-based platform.
It's like Top Step X for Ninja.
But no, but it's NinjaTrader. They created their own thing, and I think it runs through the Tradeovate platform or the Ninja. I don't know. It's confusing, but I think in there you get some more features like lockout, risk
Oh, you
control.
get lockout on Trader 2 now?
Yeah, trade copier. They're upgrading the platforms. Apex has $59 activation fee now, eh? It's a very low activation fee plus $49 all in on the 50K.
Yeah, 49 50Ks and 100K 59.
Yeah, no activation. So you pay $49 and you got your eval and your activation fee paid for $49. Crazy, eh?
Yeah, they're actually the lowest in the industry.
People don't realize the benefit of that. That you get $2,000 or $2,500 of risk money.
Yeah,
You
but don't
get
forget
full
it goes
benefit.
quick too, huh? You could buy a couple and lose them all, and you're down 4 500 USD like in an instant.
No, you don't, especially if you're new. You start with one. You scale up if as you get better. Prove to yourself that you can do what you think you can do. But the point is, if you're interested in trading, it's much better to learn that way than to put $5,000 of your own cash in there and then lose it in a week. Remember, that was the old days. Everyone would put in 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, and then have to explain to their wives why they just lost their savings.
That's insane.
Now you put in $59, you do your best. If you pass,
One a week.
you put in, you don't even have to pay the activation. You go, and you can get paid on that. And if you're a superstar genius and you keep making money, you take that money aside, put it aside, and then you open up your own account. I wanted to open up an account with DTW again, DTTW. They trade the world, but
Yeah.
they restrict you from trading with any other firm. It's a steep price to pay, so I'm gonna hold off on that. But there's no monkey business, with the payouts or execution. Execution is instant, and payouts are automatic. You don't even have to ask for them. They're just done. Even if it's $10 at the end of the month. It's once a month with them. At the end of the month, they do the accounting. If you're green, they send it to you. Funny how no one knows about them.
Yeah, I was gonna say I've never even heard. I've
I
heard
know
about them because of you back in the day, but besides that,
it's crazy. It's crazy.
there's like nothing. I don't know. I never heard of them. Never even seen a video of them.
It's by far the best deal on the planet.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Again, though, they restrict you. So, yeah. What are the negatives? They restrict you to only their firm. You have to take an exam every year. That was one of the things I
Sam,
didn't like
I
either. Yeah.
remember.
Yeah. You took it?
No, I didn't take it, but I remember you taking it.
Yeah, every year. That was a bugger. I think 3 years I took it. You got to study for it again. And
Yeah, it probably wasn't
no, 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 no. It wasn't
easy as one,
difficult.
two, three, but
Yeah, yeah. You study. After the first year, I had my notes. I just read my notes over twice, and the pass rate's 90% though. You were only allowed like 2 errors or something out of 20 questions. But it's all based on regulations, spoof orders and iceberg orders and what's insider trading, what's manipulative practices, like saying things online and doing the opposite.
mm-hmm.
It's all stuff like that. No hedging, teaching you about hedging. Please answer, LOL. Well, please answer to who? Check your messages, I guess. One of
I
us.
didn't get anything.
Could be me. I never check my messages.
Well, she wrote it in mine, so she's probably talking about me.
Oh, I don't know. I got someone telling me, "Can you call me?" But that was at 9:37, a long time ago.
I don't
Are you
know
doing
what
the
I've been
afternoon?
told. No, I'm going with Megan.
Where?
Where? Some food place.
Oh, okay. I think I sort of remember. I want it to go. I got replaced.
Who wants it? Who wants them?
Hanging just above VWAP. I should put VWAP on this chart.
Your love is what you find. Meg, are you talking to me or are you talking to somebody else? I don't even know if you're asking me to answer or somebody else.
She wants you to answer her messages.
I didn't even, what? She did text me. Meg, I didn't even see it. It says oh, I think by mistake it was muted, but yeah. Uh, Meg, by accident, I think one time I texted you, I put your chat on silent. So I didn't get anything, but I just went to go look. It was my fault. Your love is what you'll find.
What kind of host are you? You don't even have my camera.
You're the fruit. I know you keep saying that. Just keep mentioning it every time you join.
I know.
Eh,
I'm not worthy.
No, it's not that. I already told you I don't know how to do it. And when I do it, it screws up my shit. So I'm not
Mm,
gonna start figuring it out in the middle of a stream while I'm looking for a trade.
yeah. Thought we set it up last time. Remember, David was working on the on my computer, going back and forth, opening the camera, and then we were capturing it.
It's too bad my audio was bugged last night. What do you think the error was?
I don't know. I'd have to look, like I said, go look at your 1 hour, 20 minutes, and I forgot about it already, of your original recording and see. Smells candy in the basement. I don't know if David's got candy on his desk, but
It's that 10-year-old bag of Maynards. Every time I go in the basement, there's bags of candy behind the
yeah,
computer or under the computer.
yeah, I
He's a
buy them
big
the
candy guy,
Maynards.
the guy, huh?
He is.
Lives
I
at the
buy
dollar
him the
store once a
Maynards.
week. Yeah, he loves the Maynards. Those red strips, and he's a candy lover.
I got Swedish fish from
I
the
hate that.
States. Oh my God, they're so good.
Bro,
I
what a
made
long,
human
boring
bread
week, bro.
today.
What did I do this? I did nothing this week.
Mm. You coming in on the meeting on Monday?
I forgot who it was with.
I don't want to bring up names on stream, but
Text it to me. I'm curious. I forgot. Oh, I remember. Never mind. I
mm.
remember. Sure. Sure. I'll join.
Want to run it?
Huh?
Want to run it? You want to lead it? You know, like I
No?
led the other one. Why not? It's good.
Didn't
It's
text
good
me,
to
they
get
texted
practice,
you.
actually. You know what?
Yeah, I'll get practice when it's my turn to get practice, not now.
Hmm. Is David still on the call?
I ask myself that every time he's just here. He's gonna come back and say, "Oh, there's nothing to say. I already said we're moving sideways."
Don't do that. The two of you, you're like,
I'm actually in the bathroom taking a
oh, there you
poopy.
are. Both of you guys. We're breaking lower. Let me take the loss. So yeah, I know you guys are tired of hearing it, but my brain is tired already of trying to figure out and calculate and reimagine trades. Just gonna go to the simple stuff that has the best odds, the A++ or the A+ setups, and just take those.
My love is what you'll find.
Now I got to find something to do in between the trades.
I would love to find something to do.
Oh my God, what happened? Oh yeah, I forgot. Duplicate a new tab. Data series.
Aimbawa, aimbawa, aimbawa.
Oh, we might be done going up on NQ now, eh?
Yeah, we just took a little short. 15-point stop.
Just
Shorts
realized I
even
haven't
look
been.
better than longs on NQ.
I didn't take my vitamins this week.
NQ didn't really push up with speed.
Yes, might be bouncing off here off the PP, the pivot point. What you would call is a sweep. We swept the pivot point. The wick is below the pivot point. The body is above it right now.
I don't know what a pivot point is.
Hmm?
I don't know what a pivot point is.
It's
Pivot.
a line, a mathematical line that a lot of people use to calculate support resistance. Comes with an R1 and R2 and a resistance line, a support line above the pivot. I don't know if the pivot is exactly, no, it's not the previous day's close. I'm not sure how the math is calculated. We have to look it up.
August has been pretty trashy, man, lately. Just gotta get back on track.
I think we're going to see a little push higher now. think we switched again. I think it's going to be quick. Or sudden. That's a better word. There we go.
Smells like food.
Hmm.
There you go. There you go.
Hmm.
Market the penis. Make me feel this way. Na, 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 na.
So I don't know if I mentioned it with you. There was some guy on Titans of Tomorrow, I think, did an interview. Talked to you about it.
No.
I think you said you were tired. You know what? He made such bold claims that I'm sure they're verifiable because they're too easy to be verifiable, and I don't think anyone would talk out of their mouth like that if they weren't true. He was saying in the old days he was 10% of the volume on the ES contracts, and he was also the number one scalper for like multiple years.
Mm.
So I think one year he made $10 or $13 million. His commissions on that year were $4 million. That coincides with other people that I used to track who were profitable and traded. The commissions are a big part of your gross profit.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing that was interesting, like he would trade tons of contracts, 20 to 50,000 contracts a day.
Mm-hmm.
And what I noticed, his edge was very small, about $1 to $1.50. So if he traded like 50,000 contracts, you'd expect that he made about 50,000 to 75,000 in that day. And if you traded 20,000, he made like 20 to 30,000 on average. Yeah, some days, he got better and some days he lost, but in general, the edge was like only $1 a contract overall. So,
Doesn't sound
yeah.
like a big edge.
No, but he said it was a very exploitable edge, and, he would just be clicking all day long. And then he said the algos came in, and now they front run you. And now all the orders are like spoof orders. When you see size, you can't lean into it because it disappears before, as you're clicking the button.
Mm-hmm.
All those things change, so he had to reinvent himself.
Got to adapt. You actually always have to adapt.
Yeah, it was the other person's statistics that I used to keep year after year, as he showed them once a year, was Mayor. Remember Mayor Barack?
Yep.
Yeah, he used to show his statistics. So I think I still have all the screenshots.
Mayor Barack, I remember that guy very well.
I used to calculate his edge also, and it was very small,
Mayor.
very, very tight.
There's even that guy with that blue Porsche. I still remember his name.
Hmm.
What's his name actually? Now that I don't remember his name, I remember his car.
I'm not sure if
Blue
you're talking
Porsche,
about
living beachfront property.
Scott was in Florida. I don't remember with the
I
blue
was like from
Porsche.
Bull Trading. He had a.
Kunal, my
There you
favorite
go.
guy. Even better than Patrick Wieland.
That guy.
He's so much more calmer now. I guess he's aged and matured. Yeah, it was Kunal and Cameron Foose.
Cameron, I remember that guy too, orange hair.
Hmm.
He had like those things on his keyboard to bye 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 bye.
Hmm.
So he had like the
Yeah,
hotkeys.
yeah, the hotkeys. Actually, now that I think about it, I think you're confusing Cameron Foose with Ross Cameron, Warrior Trader. Warrior
Yeah,
Trader
you're
was
right,
the
you're right,
hotkeys.
you're right. Yeah.
Cameron Foose might have
I don't
also
know who
had
that guy
hotkeys.
is.
That's why, but I think you're thinking of Ross Cameron.
No, I don't know the other guy then. Yeah, meets
Yeah,
Ross Cameron, the ginger.
he was good.
You have to
He's a
drive
good
to his
trader.
office every morning.
Even Lance did a review on him. Is he a scam? And he came up with nope. He is not a scam. Maybe he makes extra money by the tailwinds of his followers, but he's not a scam. He knows what he's doing. Everything he talked about was principled in good trading practices. The question people need to ask is, can you learn from them? Not can you copy them?
Yeah, you're right. A
Like,
lot of people in the beginning, they want to make it so quick and they just want to copy, you know?
yeah.
They don't want to go through the learning. But like I said, these are all things you have to learn on experience.
I know. That's what I was telling Omnius.
Like you have no other choice. I think the people that in the beginning they believe you when you tell them that? No, they don't.
I
Not at
know.
all.
That's the other thing. So I said, yeah, it's a bit of an intermediate level of a trader already when you realize you can't copy the trader.
Yeah.
You can only try to see what he's doing, learn from it, make it your own, study it. But until you get to that point where you even understand that to be true, that's already beyond beginner status. Wow, you're going for a burger. Burger sounds delicious right about now.
Not
A
even
good
hungry right now, actually.
char-broiled burger. Is David going also?
I think he said no. I don't know why he should come with us.
No, I'm really tired.
Where is it?
I don't
Without
know.
saying the name. In Montreal?
To be honest, I have no idea. Meg just told me be
Oh,
home
no
for
idea. Okay.
12:25 and I'll come with you. She said it was a bit far. Maybe LaSalle, if I even
Yeah.
heard right.
Oh, you're coming down here?
Yeah, I'm not gonna drive alone, meet her there. Fuck that.
No, her go get you instead of you coming here.
Uh,
Okay.
good
Yeah,
question.
yeah.
But no,
Yeah,
it's
come here.
okay. Same thing.
Come here.
Come here. Come here, boy.
Come here. Come visit. It's Friday.
Man, New York price action has been so dirty.
Always dirty. It's always head faking, and
This
I
week's
don't even
been
know how
boring.
it's possible that it does so many head fakes. It's very impressive. I know in my early days, I used to be amazed at how many times I would enter a trade and it would come back to my entry point. And I always said, wow, why enter it right away? Why not just enter it when it comes back to your entry point?
Bro, this is horrible price action. It's so boring, man. August has been so shitty.
Shitty, 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 shitty.
But is this guy that's called like Future Scalper on YouTube, and I was freaking out. I'm
Yeah,
like, bro, he
yeah,
has like
yeah.
four,
FSP.
five, six, seven, yeah, K
Yeah, yeah,
viewers.
yeah.
Do you know how many viewers he has right now?
No, 10.
125,000
Bullshit.
right now. 125,000 watching.
That's impossible. Even ICT didn't get there.
What is that number? That's insane.
I don't know. I never found him that good of a trader. Only one man's opinion. Don't move up, eh?
Yeah,
So you see
indeed.
how you were saying to me, so much for that. That was another case there. Remember when I said it looks like we're gonna pop and we're gonna pop fast with momentum,
Hmm.
and yet it faked me out and then went. That's I said. It's fucking markets. They just know how to do it. Yeah, we have a bit of a problem though.
What's the issue? Darn me or darn somebody else?
No,
No,
FSP. He doesn't have 120,000 in there. Look at his chat. Do you know at what speed the chat would be going with 120,000?
But what weird number is that? Why is it? I was gonna say it doesn't make sense, but why is it like that?
Mm. He's talking about it now, actually. He's saying bot attacks. Yeah, you always just check out the chat and see at the speed at what the chat is going.
Hmm.
That'll give you an idea if it's legitimate or not. Shoulder. Shoulder, the back, the neck, it's all hurting.
All right, I'll be honest. I'm gonna end stream now. Nothing really much going
Okay.
on, and I'll go get ready. Come pass by, so I don't have to be late.
Okay.
Chat, thank you guys for joining. I know it's a little bit of a boring Friday AM session. Hopefully, we have a funner week next week. Thank you guys for joining. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and you guys will see me live Monday AM session. See ya. Enjoy all your weekends.
Take care, guys.